Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Tuesday, May 12th. Winners of Achieve 3000 work this week are Devin K., Terrell M., and Chris R.M. Congratulations and stick with Achieve 3000, everyone. Attention 8th graders, you've heard us talk about fall sports at Verona High School. I'm not sure we've mentioned high school auditions for the high school musical are also available for you to sign up for. Click on the links at the top of the 8th grade lesson plan to learn more about auditions and about high school sports. If you have specific questions, send an email to Miss Day for the high school musical and to Mr. Crandall or to Mr. Crandall for high school sports. There will be the opportunity for you to pick up the things that remain in your lockers. 8th grade gym lockers have also been emptied and will be in your lockers. 6th and 7th graders, your gym lockers will stay as they are, and you can pick up those things when you're back in the school, hopefully at the end of August and beginning of September. So those are next week, May 19th and May 21st. You and your family may drive up, you may walk up, and we will run in, get your materials, and hand them off to you. Please check the information that was sent to you and sent to your parents for the specifics about how that will work. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Make it a terrific Tuesday, Savannah Oaks.